Hello, it's Flo, and today I want to show you how to install a custom ROM with Jelly Bean or Jelly Bean version on your HTC One X. So you must have an HTC One X, and it could be an HTC One X with S on or S off. There is no importance about that. First thing to know is if you get S on, you must be careful, because if you install it, you will not be able to install an ice cream sandwich custom ROM after that. So first thing, I think I have created this article. This is a very long article, but there is everything about S off and S on to know on your HTC One X. So I think it could be great for you to read this article on my blog. Soon I will just copy that and post it on XGA. So this is for my blog, Flo Wolf 1. Okay, so let's go to take it. Flo Wolf 1 blog. So I will just have this one, and the article is HTC One X, the perfect guide for beginners and pro. I will just do that for XGA also, but currently it's on my blog, so you can read it, and you must read it before doing anything on your HTC One X, because you will learn a lot of things, and you can also correct something if I miss something there. Okay, so first thing to do is download on your computer different file, the boot.img from your custom ROM you want to flash. The firmware.zip, you can find it on my article or on Android thread or other threads, from Maximus for example, or others. You must download a custom ROM, Android X version 6 for me, for example, and you must download the Recovery Clockwork Touch 584 for your HTC One X. To download the custom ROM, you have to go on this thread, the indexed listing of ROM. This is the most amazing thread on XGA for me. You get there the Sense ROM, and you can download this one, Android Insert Coin, Oreo, Renovate, Android Revolution HD version 12, Bintoid, or HTC One Maximus version 5. This custom ROM need to follow my review before doing anything. Okay, so when you get these four different files, the boot img and the custom ROM from the thread you need, the firmware and the recovery, you must connect your HTC One X there by USB storage. There you have to put your custom ROM on your device there, ROM, and I will put that on my ROM there, on my card. You have to go on your SDK. So let's go Android SDK there. Okay, Android SDK, this one, and we get Android SDK, and on tools file you have to put the boot img. I just have to rename it boot Jelly Bean 1X. You have to do that, and you have to put the firmware, the boot, and the recovery on your tools folder there, tools folder. So you get the Android SDK tools, and on this folder you get the different files, the boot, where it is, boot Jelly Bean HTC One X. You also get the firmware .zip. This is the same than this one. This is the Hboot 1.28. I rename it because I need to know which one I am using. And you also get the recovery for Clockwork Mode 5804 for Endeavor. I have also this one. This is exactly the same. You have to see that this is exactly the same. Okay, so you can use this one or this one. This is the same way. When you get your custom ROM on your HTC One X, you have to reboot it on your fast boot mode. So to be sure, let's go to settings, and there you have to go on where it is, battery, there, battery, and you have to uncheck fast boot. So this is not there because this is the MIUI. Maybe fast boot is there. You have to reboot your phone on fast boot mode. So let's go to connect on only charge and just reboot it. Reboot on Bootloader by this way. You can also do that by power off your phone, and then you have to press the volume down key and the power button to reboot on Bootloader. There, we are on the Bootloader and fast boot mode. We have firstly to lock our phone. There we have the unlock bootloader. So wait, we have unlocked bootloader and we have Hboot version 1.12. So I will just use the 1.28. You must take care with S on, you can't come back to the 1.12. There you can see on the second line I have S off, and with S off I can just change by 1.12 to 1.28 and come back to 1.12. You can't with S on, so take care. Okay, when you have the fastboot USB connected, you have to go on start and you have to launch the CMG. There, you get that. You have to place this on your tools folder. So CGC. Okay, let's just to focus, please. Okay, CGC / Android SGK Windows / tools. We get it. Then we have to lock our bootloader, so fast boot, and we have to say OEM lock, and our phone just restart there, and we get a phone locked. We have not to wait that, so just press volume down key and the power button. Just wait, then the key there are flashing by no, they are not flashing, but to reboot it on fastboot, just continue with volume down key and you get that the relocked. So our phone is now relocked. We have to just uncheck it, unplug our phone, check fastboot and plug it again. We have fastboot USB and relocked phone. Okay, next step is to flash the fastboot OEM reboot RU. So to do that, this is just to come back to this mode there, where the command is, if we need, the command is this one, fastboot OEM reboot RU. So just okay, and our phone is just restarting. Save data from original MSC, save, and it's just flash RU by this way. Okay, so when we get this this command that, we get this screen, and when we get this screen we have to enter a new command. The command is to flash the firmware, so we get message okay, and we have to flash the firmware. So fast boot flash zip firmware dot zip by this way, and we must get a failed the first time. Wait, I don't get a failed, but if you get failed, you have just to copy that, select that by this way, do that, right click, and you have to paste it again and press enter. By this way you must do that just second time, and we get this screen there, and we get the new firmware on your HTC. So you have to do this command 2 times maybe if you get failed first time. Then we have to press volume down key and power button there. By this way we are able to reboot on fast boot mode, and by this way also we will be able to we will be able to unlock the bootloader 1 time again. So let's go to press that, and we restart to fast boot mode. Unplug it to be better. By this way we have to go on fast boot, plug our device 1 time again. We have to, so we get fastboot USB. Then we have to check if our device is still connected. So fastboot devices. Okay, press enter, and I get my device there. So when my device is connected, I have to enter this command: fastboot flash unlock token, and the name of my unlock code. Mine is this one. You have get it by HTC dev, and we have to enter that the name unlock code 1x.bin. Once it's enter, we get that on our screen, that, and we have by volume button just to go there on yes and press power to unlock it. Our phone is just restarting and just rebooting, you know, and we don't need to wait that. So let's go to enter to restart on fast boot mode because we don't need to wait. And let's go to restart on fast boot mode by this way. And we get on our phone there. On fast boot mode, we have to use fast boot USB mode by this way. Press OK and plug it. Oh yes, fast boot mode by this way. We have to fast boot there. We have to plug to go fast boot USB, and we have to flash the recovery. So we have already passed our recovery on the file needed. We go there, fast boot, flash. This is a zip recovery file, so recovery, and the name of the recovery. Mine is C Android SDK tools, and the recovery name is mine is this one or this one. I have just renamed it by this one to be able to use it faster. So okay, so once you get the firmware version 1.28 and the Hboot version 1.28, and you get the unlocked there on the Hboot unlocked for the bootloader, you must flash the recovery. So you must have the fast boot on your device, fast boot USB, and you must enter this command, fast boot flash recovery, and the name of your recovery. Mine is this one. The original is this one, you know, but I have changed it to have something easier to remember. So let's go to flash this one, fast boot flash recovery, and we enter recovery. This is 5.8.4.0 and 1x dot img. Enter, and we have sending the recovery. Okay, our recovery is now flashed on our device. We can see that just there, and we must know to flash the boot.img. so the boot we get here, and we have the Jelly Bean HTC One X. I have renamed it at the start of the video. So fast boot flash, fast boot flash, this is a boot, and a boot gb HOX.img, and we have to flash it, sending boot. Okay, writing boot. Okay, so we get our boot on our phone. Also we get the recovery and the boot.img. Now we have to erase cache, and then we have to flash the new custom ROM. So erase cache to be sure, and it's done. Now we can just unplug our phone there, fast boot USB. We can just go to Hboot and go to the recovery, and we can see that the recovery launch easily, and we can now install any Jelly Bean version for the HTC One X. So for example, we have the Oreo, Insert Coin, we have Android Revolution HD, we have Maximus, we have Android, and there we have to wipe data factory first time. We have to delete all user data there to be sure to secure ourselves. Then we have to wipe cache. It's already done by the wipe factory, but this is better to do that again. We have then to install and choose zip on your SD card, and no file found. Yes, so we have to go back because there is no anything on my phone. Let's go to mount our phone on USB storage, and maybe it's better to plug it by this way, you know. So go back and mount USB storage. Here we have to go on downloads, HTC One X, Android. We have to go on HTC storage there, and I have to create a new folder. This is a ROM folder, for example, download One X Android, and we have to put the Android version 6 on the ROM, for example. There we have to wait, and it's just going there. So you must also back up all your files before doing that. Do that, so this is better to get secured. So once time your file is on your device, you can flash the custom ROM. So I will just show you how to do that. You maybe already know how to do, but for the entire video it's better to show you again how to do. So once time you get that, you can also use, for example, because I get it, modify the I get the Android Revolution V12 version, the insert coin version 11, so we can just use this one also, the Maximus and others. So here we are, 5 seconds and done. We can just we can just go back again, install zip from SD card, choose zip from SD card, go on the ROM file folder, use the Android version 6.00, install Android. Okay, so let's go, it's starting Aroma installer, and let's go to install the Android just to show you, but it's worked very well. There we have to click next, we have to choose next again, we have to click next, we have to perform a full wipe. We can use the mods, for example distance, lower auto brightness values, disable HTC screenshot feature. We can just check the mods we want, click next, use Apex or Nova Launcher, I prefer the Apex one. Then we can select apps you want to remove, for example Facebook, Flickr, Twitter, Dropbox, LinkedIn, Facelog if you needn't, Google Talk, Google News, Google Map, Google Plus, Google Now, Google TTS, HTC Skin, HTC Location, HTC Watch, HTC Gallery, HTC Live Wallpaper. We must keep HTC Mail and Messages, HTC Task, HTC Task, Stocks, Workload, Task Manager, SkyDrive. We have HTC Car, HTC Browser, Adaway, Cheater, and others. So let's go to click next and perform the installation. We are installing the Android version 6.0 right now, just to show you how to install a Jelly Bean version on your HTC One X. Okay, so I hope this full how-to is good for you. I think if you like it, you just have to click like or share it, and just subscribe to my channel. Let's go to share it if you need. Let's go to click on my YouTube channel, you like it. Let me some comments also if you want, and let's go to share my blog, share my job, share what I do for you. I have already done more than 2000 videos about custom ROM for HTC Desire HD, HTC One S, HTC One X, HTC Sensation, Sensation XE also. I get some comparison, I get some accessories, so thanks to you to follow me. I think on all people I am talking about every day, thanks to them, thanks for people helping me, thanks to you, thanks to everyone, because this is sometimes difficult to do this job. I have maybe spent 1 hour and a half to do this video, and now I am compiling it, and it will take maybe 4 or 5 hours. So it takes time for me to do that, so just thanks me if you need and if you can. Okay, so it's done for watching system. Installation is complete, and we have now to restart our phone, reboot our phone for get the Android version 6.0. And this full tutorial is just to show you how to flash a Jelly Bean version on our HTC One X. So let's go to see the Jelly Bean version now. I'm so happy to be able to launch that after hours and hours to work on it. It's not as easy as I think, so just take care if you have S on device, because this is difficult, and you just must choose a Jelly Bean version every day after using that. So I can do that because I have an S off, and this is easy to me to do that, but take care about that. So first boot can take a while sometimes, so we have just to be patient because it works, and that's what I am showing you We have to wait. If, for example, it doesn't work for a long time, you have to force the reboot again just by pressing a long time the power button, and it will work. I do that sometimes because I just don't want to wait. So let's go maybe to do that on a few seconds. So I have just to do something because just look at that for a while is maybe too long for you. Yep. So let's go to force the reboot. Okay, so I am rebooting it again. And it will work, it will work. When I say you, it will work. And just wait because it will work. You see? Do you want magic prank? Oh, you see? I say it will work. Finish booting. And it will work. And we get right now on our HTC One X, after a few hours of working on that, and after having some scares, and after everything we get there. Yes, we have to click next, and because I don't need to see everything there. Next, agree, next, automatically, manually, sync, next, finish, and we get there on your amazing Ace, the new version. This is the, right now, software information, please, software information, the Android version 6.0.0 based on Android version 4.1.1 with HTC Sense 4 Plus. So thanks to have seen this video, and let's go to test this custom ROM for you with Apex Launcher, and we can also use the Nova Launcher. So let's go to subscribe to my channel and continue to share my videos. Thanks for everything.